Hello, my name is Forofontov Konstantin. I'm from Biblioteca. I'm going to read an extract from Gogol's We. All trace of drink had disappeared, and Kama's head was quite clear now. He kept crossing himself and repeating prayers at random, and all the while he had the fiends bearing round him, almost touching him with their loathsome tails and the tips of their wings. He had not the courage to look at them. He only saw a huge monster, the whole width of the wall, standing in the shade of its matted logs as of a forest. Through the tangle of hair, two eyes glared horribly, with eyebrows slightly lifted. Above it, something was hanging in the air like an immense bubble, with 1,000 claws and scorpion stings protruding from the center. Black earth hung in clouds on them. They were all looking at him, seeking him, but could not see him, surrounded by his mysterious circle. "Bring me! Fetch me!" he heard the corpse cry. And suddenly, stillness fell upon the church. The wolves' howling was heard in the distance, and soon there was the thud of heavy footsteps resounding through the church. With a sidelong glance, he saw they were bringing a squat, fixed, bandy-legged figure. He was covered all over with black earth. His arms and legs grew out like strong, sinewy roots. He trod heavily, stumbling at every step. His long eyelids hung down to the very ground. Kama saw him horror that his face was of iron. He was supported under the arms and led straight to the spot where Kama was standing. "Lift up my eyelids, I do not see," said we, in a voice that seemed to come from underground, and all the company flew to raise his eyelids. "Do not look," and in a voice whispered to the philosopher. He could not restrain himself, and he looked. "There he is!" shouted we, and thrust an iron finger at him. And the whole horde pounced upon the philosopher. He fell expiring to the ground, and his soul fled from his body in terror.